Boyue didn't release anything in 2020. Until the very tail end, they released the P6. It was a little bit out of character, but not completely out of the fight. It was quite a nice device, showing a more simplistic side of Boyue's lineup. This is the P10. It's not a 10.3, it's an actual 10-inch, and this one features a touchscreen as well as a stylus. It's a little bit unknown at this point whether it's an active capacitive stylus or it is a Wacom note-taking layer. So let's check it out. Here's the box itself. We're going to open this with you guys on camera here. This of course does come with a case, and it does come with this stylus we'll open up in a second. So you get the front and the back of the box like so. We're just going to slip this sleeve out, very much akin to all of their other devices in their lineup. They have a sleeve system, and open that up. Now this power off screen is exactly the same as the rest of their lineup, so don't worry about that. This is very much part of the Boyue lineup, even though they're moving in a different direction, it feels like. So this should just slide out like so. And we'll put this off to the side for now and look at the quick start guide. Quick start guide has some stuff like do not put a can of soft drink on there, and don't just willy-nilly throw it in your bag, and of course don't put it into the water. Now you do have some other stuff here. It's weird how they didn't put the stylus in the box. That is very strange, but you do have a USB-C, and that is basically it for the box itself. Let's take a quick look at this stylus, because this is honestly a mystery to even us, because as you see, we're opening this with you guys on camera. So what is the stylus? We actually do not know. It doesn't have a conventional capacitive tip. In fact, it has a nib. So that is not usually evident in a capacitive stylus. So it does lead me to believe this does have some sort of EMR, which basically amounts to having a Wacom layer. The back is totally redesigned, and it is fantastic. It is plastic, but it feels like metal. It's very textured and nice. It offers a kind of brushed blue aluminum feel to it. Very, very nice move. Likebook logo on the bottom corner there. We'll just do a first time startup here because I personally do want to see what this stylus is all about as well. So it's all booted up here. I'm going to touch the stylus to the screen. So it does function on the screen as well as so your fingertip would, of course. So I'm going to try it on my cell phone now. I'm just on Google Chrome. So it doesn't look like it works on a capacitive layer on a phone, but it does work on whatever layer this is using on their device. For now though, this is everything that comes in the box with the Likebook P10. A little bit of a mystery product ourselves. We're going to be diving into this, doing a full review, comparisons, etc. So for now, this is the full package, and if you guys have any other questions, comments, or concerns, leave them down below. For GoodyReader.com, this is Peter.